Welcome to SAP CodeM Learning Hub.
Split valuation. Users, in my previous video, you learned how to do the basic configuration of split valuation. Also, we have taken one sample model as an example. We followed that sample model. We created exactly the replica of that model in the system, and we completed the task. That was scenario 1 in my previous video. Just to recollect in your memory what we did procurement material locally, and we also procured the material from foreign country, from foreign supplier. So in that way, we had two different prices. Same material, we split two different prices. We assigned two different prices to the material, and we have created the goods receipt and perform all the tasks following that sample model. We have done and completed the task. So this is over. Today, in this session, we'll be taking material condition as scenario 2. So what will be the material conditions of the material? Material for repair, this is one condition. Material which is repaired will be the second condition. Material which is obsolete for sale as a scrap will be third condition. So based upon the material condition, we'll have three different prices. That will be our scenario 2. Move on to the next slide. This is a typical example of a warehouse. It's a part of warehouse management. Here, based upon the nature of material, the material assigned into different locations. This one is material which is obsolete. They will sell it as a scrap. So this will be our price 1, material price 1. Material which is repaired, this will be our price 2. Material for repair. For repair means any material inspected and said can be repaired by this unit. This unit is specialized as all the equipment to test the material and decide the condition of the material. This unit will do the job. So this unit will inspect the material and say this can be repaired. So that material will be allocated separately in the warehouse. So that will be our third price. The material which is for repair will be our third price. So we'll have one material for scrap, sale, one price. Material which is repaired, another price. Material for repair, which can be repaired, is another price. So by following this practical example, this diagram or this sample will show that how the companies will adopt split valuation practically. So this will be the best example. The users will know that in the real world, how do the company adopt the split valuation policy. Move on to the next slide. This is another sample diagram. Just to have a clear concept of split valuation based upon material condition, I have taken this sample diagram. In my previous video, I have shown the same diagram, but only with two different prices. I added one more different price here based upon the condition of the material. So that the user will know that if you take three different prices, what happens, how the system performs it. So I added this one more price to the material condition. So split valuation, same material, three different prices based on material condition. So we'll have a material for repair will have one price. Material after repair will have one price. Material for sale, which is scrap, will have another price. This is what this diagram makes you understand. Move on to the next slide. This is where we will be logging into the system and doing the configuration. So there are two ways, as usual, there are two ways to log into the system. One through SAP reference IMG guide. Another one, you can directly use the transaction code OMWC, log into the system and you can do the configuration. So once you click on define valuation categories, this screen will pop up. Here you'll have three tabs. One, global types, global categories, local definitions. This is the global category global type screen where we will be creating our global types. Move on to the next slide. Here, this is global categories screen. Once you click on global categories after you finish global types, this is the screen where you will create global categories, and also you will assign global types to global categories. This will be the screen. Move on to the next screen, slide, local definitions. Here what you will do, you will search for your plant, okay, and then we will assign that plant and activate it. So here you will search the plant and you will activate it, make the plant active. Move on to the next slide. Here, this split valuation scenario 2. So here we are taking material condition. Based on material condition, we have just made this sample model. Following this same model, we will exactly simulate in the system in real time. So material condition example, material for repair will be our price 1, material for after repair will be our price 2, scrap, which is material is obsolete for sale, will be our third price. Fresh material price will be 15,000. Okay, just take this as an example. So rupees is the currency we are following here, because our company code currency is INR. So we'll follow the same currency over here. Fresh material rupees 15,000. We'll create the material in the system, and we take exactly this as a description. And what we will do, we'll create 3 global type valuation. We create 3 global types. One is material for repair. We'll keep it as rupees 1. That will be of price 1. Then we'll have material after repair. That will be our price 7,500. Once the material gets repaired, so the material gets depreciated, material will not have the original price. The material will be reduced to 7,500. That will be our second price. Once the material cannot be used, it becomes obsolete, then they'll put it as a scrap for sale. So that will be rupees 1,000 will be our third price. So in this way, we'll create 3 global valuation types with 3 different prices. And then we'll also create a new category. So category type is single digit. Okay, we have to see in the system. Once we log into the system, we'll see whatever will be available. We'll use that category in the system. So here for us to show it as an example, I have taken only as X. We don't know what category will be available, which category will be creating in the system. So just to understand, I have taken X. This is single digit or a character, single character. Okay. And then we'll assign different valuation types to valuation categories. So we'll create these valuations and we'll assign this valuation to valuation category. That's what we will be doing. Then there will be no purchase order here, because as the material is already available and it was in use, and due to different conditions of the material is allocated with different prices. So there will not be any purchase order, but we will be doing the goods receipt just to see how to take the stock of those material into the system, and we'll see how the stock gets reflected if you do movement up 561. Here, just for the better understanding for the users, material for repair, when the company sends the material for repair, it will follow the process of subcontract. So what we do in subcontract, exactly the same process will be followed. The material will be sent to the subcontract for repair, and they will receive it after repair. So same subcontract process will be followed for the material to be repaired by the subcontractor supplier. We'll log into the system, follow this split valuation scenario 2. We take these parameters, we do the configuration, and in that way we will perform this task. Let's log into the system. Users, before we do the split valuation configuration, I have just forgot to show you in my previous video. So I'll just give you a small demo on that, what we missed in our in our previous video. MMBE, just let me show it to you. MMBE, just go there, take our material for which we did split valuation, just execute it. So we have seen the stock. One from a local supplier, one from foreign supplier. Now we'll go to display of material / NMM03. Okay. Press enter. Press enter. Here we'll take first local supplier. Local supplier. Click OK. This is the material which we created. And if you go to accounting one, see here the total quantity we procured is 30. And the price here is 5,000 rupees. That's the price we got it from the local supplier. So 5 into 30, that's the value, 150,000. Go back, press enter again. Now we'll see the price for the foreign supplier. Click on this. This is the valuation type. Okay, click OK. Just go to accounting one. You see there, price is 7,000 and quantity procured 30. So 210,000 will be the total value of the stock. We'll go back again. Press enter. Press enter. Now we will not select any valuation type. You'll see what is the price that reflects here. Go to the accounting one tab. See here 6,000. So how this is because we selected moving average price. 5,000 local supplier, 7,000 foreign supplier, 12,000 divided by 2, 6,000 is the average price. So that's what we see here. Let's go and do the split valuation basic configuration. For that, we'll use SPRO. Click on SAP reference IMG. Look out for a node materials management. Expand this node. And look out for valuation and account assignment. Expand this node. You see split valuation. Expand this node. From here, we will be doing all the configuration. Activate. This way, I've already done it. It's already activated. So just go back, nothing to do there. Click on configure split valuation. Here a little bit tricky. You have to keep moving the next entry until you find 3 tabs. Automatically will appear on the screen. So we need to click till the. Okay, there we are. Click on global types. First we have to create global types. Click on this. Click on create. So first global type will be empty underscore for repair, REP. there will be no external purchase order as this material was already in use, and due to the condition of material we assign different prices, so no procurement here. So external procurement, no. Internal procurement may be possible. Maybe some other plant within same company wants to acquire this material. Internal purchase orders, okay. Category reference for GL accounts, we take 0001. That's our assigned category reference to the material type. Just here, save will not work. Click on create. Okay, that's done. Valuation type created. Let's go back. Then create. Then we'll check material type underscore after repair, AFT. After repair, this is our second global type. Then leave this parameters as it is. Okay, same conditions will follow. Create second one, and we're going to create the third one. Go back. You'll see two are existing. Just create the third one. Okay, MT underscore material for sale. That's the scrap, third price. So we are creating valuation type 3. Press enter. So we'll leave the parameters as is. Create. So that's it. We have created 3 valuation type. Now we'll go back. We'll do the global category. We'll create the global category. Then we'll assign the global types to global categories. So just click on global categories. So the available letter here is Q. So we'll just create. We'll take Q as the valuation category. Then we'll assign first material for repair, first one. Then material for material after repair, AFT underscore after repair. Then material underscore for sale, SAL. External procurement, nothing. This is not in-house production and there is no batch production. So leave all these 3, we'll leave. We'll not do any check marks over, we'll leave as is. Now first the description. Sorry, here we have to give the description for repair, sale, lit. Okay, first we will do material for repair. We'll assign first material for repair and material after repair, AFT, and it's allowing this to enter only 2. So we have taken material for repair, material after repair. Okay, and this is the description, exact description we followed from our sample scenario 2. And then just create it. Okay, category key, valuation category Q is created. Click on global categories. We already created this. Just go, keep a cursor here, change it. What we have to do, we have to assign the third category, MT underscore for material for sale. That's our third valuation type, SAL, assign that. Then we click on change. You have to click define valuation type, obligation action. Check on this, make a change, and then we'll save it. So just go back, go to the local definition, search for our plant, MP01, down. There we see our plant. This is our plant. Click on this, then category OU, click on this. Then click on Q, that is our valuation category. Click on activate. So our plant is activated. We search for the plant. Same thing, we have to follow the page down, page up keys only. Arrow key, up arrow key, down arrow key, nothing will work here. Scroll, nothing works. We just have to press the page up, page down button only, and then click on this and activate. We already activated. Let's go and create the material /NMM01. We select automobiles or industrial sector, and ROH. That's the material. Press enter, press enter, press enter. We will type the material description. That's material for repair, after repair, and for sale. Unit of measure is each. L002, that's the material type. The material group L002. Press enter. Here, purchasing value key, just click on this. We follow the standard, which is available. Enter, press enter again. Purchasing group NPR. Press enter. Then MRP type, we are not using any MRP currently. Press enter. Press enter. This is the important accounting tab is the important one. We'll assign the valuation class 3000. And we'll check the fresh material price 15,000. Okay. Enter. Then here, this is the important part. We need to activate the valuation category. The valuation category which we created is Q. So we'll take this Q as a valuation category. This is the important. Here we'll be activating the split valuation. Will be activated for this material number. Press enter, press enter, press enter. Yes. Okay. 01 availability check. That's it. So this is the price we kept as moving average price, and fresh material price we have taken as 15,000. Let us see what happens. Okay, this simulation we will do it following the exact model we have taken in scenario 2. Press enter. Press enter. Now I'll save it. Now double click on this, copy this material, number, Control C, close it down, clear, Control V, paste it here, enter, enter. Now here the valuation type field is activated. So we'll go one by one. We'll see. First we'll take here, if you not utilize this, it will not be marked as X. So if you use it, it will be marked as X. So let's go one by one. We'll take the first valuation type. Or first we'll take material for repair. Press enter. This is the sequence which we are following. So it goes directly to the accounting tab. Valuation class 3000. Enter. So material for repair, the price will be per unit 1. Okay. This is already activated. Press enter. Press enter. Yes. Material for repair. Its price is 1. Control V. Press enter. Then just click on this. Material. See, now this is shows X because we have activated this valuation type. Now material after repair. Click on this. Select this material after repair. Valuation type 3000. Then the unit price we have taken 7,500. Okay, press enter. Press enter. Press enter. Save it. Just go back. Okay. So you get the screen. Control V again. This is the third split which we made. From here now, material which is scrap for sale. Click on this. Press enter. Again, then take valuation 3000. Now this scrap per unit price is 1000. Enter, enter, enter. Yes. So same material, we assign 3 different prices. Just see. Okay. Now we'll do movement tab 561 goods receipts. One by one we'll do it for all the 3 valuation types. /NMIGO. There. Goods receipt. We take transaction movement tab 561. Here the material type. Control V. Press enter. Quantity will take as 100. Where MP01. Storage location MPL1. Press enter. Now you see, just go back here, click on this material. Valuation type. Just go there. Quantity. We'll take valuation type. Material for repair. We'll select the first one. Click OK. Press enter. And then check. Everything's okay. Post it. So let's, if you want to note down this document, you can note down. Now we'll go and check the stock status /NMMBE. Okay. That's the material. Click on it. See, a material for repair is created. Okay. Now we'll go back. We'll take material after repair /n mm /n migo. Go there. Then same material, Control V, press enter. Quantity. So we check 100 pieces. Where MP01, press enter. Storage location MPL1. Okay, just go back here to the material. See your valuation type. You can. We'll check material after repair. We'll check for repair. We have taken already material. For repair, we'll check it. Okay, press enter. Check everything. Okay, now it's posted. Go back and check the stock. /n mmbe. Okay, execute. See, material after repair is activated. This is the valuation tab activated. Now we'll go back and do the same /n migo. Okay, material, same material, quantity, check 100. Okay, then where 01, that's our plant. MPL1, that's our storage location. Okay, quantity we have taken 100 here. Location, everything is done. Just click on material, select the material for sale, that's the scrap. Okay, press enter. Okay, check everything is okay, check it, post it. /n mmbe. Go and check the stock, execute it. So all the three valuation types activated. Now we'll go back to the MM02 and MM03. We'll see, we'll display the material and see what happens in the material master. /n mm /n mm03. Okay, press enter. Press enter. We'll see the first one is material for repair. Okay, okay. Take a look at it. Let's go to accounting one. Accounting one. 100. That's material for sale. The price we have taken 1. The quantity is updated, and the total value of that material is 100. I go back, take the same material, enter, valuation type, we'll take second one, material after repair. Okay, we'll take material after repair. We go to accounting one. Sorry, go to accounting one tab. Okay, take a look at it. 100 pieces. Total stock is 100. Then the material after repair, the price was 7,500. Okay, we just go back, click enter, enter. Then check for scrap material for sale. Third one. Click on this, press enter, enter, go to the accounting tab. 1, just take a look at it. The total stock 100, 1000 is the price, 100 into 1000, that's 100,000. And here see, always you have to keep just take a look at this field. Okay, every time we see the we select the new valuation type, this keep changing. Okay, this is material for sale. Now we'll go back, see the original price without selecting any valuation type. Okay, what happens there? Accounting 1, the sale. Okay, accounting 1, they're there. So because we applied the moving average price, the system has calculated the moving average price. So the price becomes 2.833, is 2,833.67. Okay, and that's how this split valuation works. Let me show you how the system calculates moving average price. That's for your knowledge. We have taken 100 quantity at the rate of 1 rupee, 100 quantity at the rate of 7,500, 100 quantity at the rate of 1,000. Thus, for the this total is for all the 3 valuation type. So the grand total is divided by the total quantity, will give you the average moving average price. This is how the system calculates moving average price. We have done goods receipt using movement type 561, and we also use the transaction MMBE, and we saw that how the stock gets reflected when you do the movement type 561. So with this, we have completed scenario 2, and the model which we have taken, we have accomplished the task. Though with that, this session will end. Thanks for patience watching.